Okay, are we ready to rock and roll?
Time for some jazz.
I don't remember.
Hey, all you cute cats and kittens. Oh, cool cats and kittens.
That's not who views my videos. I'm scared.
I already know that this is going to turn out horribly.
Okay, let's get serious.
What are you looking at?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very fun video because I am joined by my boyfriend Isaac. I've talked about him a little bit here and there, and here he is in the flesh. He's actually going to be doing my makeup today, which I think is going to be very fun. This was actually like originally his idea, but we kind of like came up with the concept of me showing him a makeup look and he's going to try and copy it on me. So this is going to be very interesting. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video so it promotes it to other people. So without further ado, we're going to get started. I actually think you're going to do well because he's seen me do my makeup so many times. And I think even if you don't go in the right order, you're going to make me look.
Seeing and doing are very different things.
Okay, well, let's just go ahead and get into it, okay? Okay, so this is what you're going to try and do today. It's a red look. It's colorful.
It's metallic.
Okay, whenever you're ready. What's the first thing I always do? Like, what part do I start with?
Your face.
Okay.
We're gonna go for a nice,
like
this one.
Okay.
Alright, so we have like a darker looking one. And we got this will go with the lighter looking one, because I feel like...
Because I'm what?
You're pale.
Super pale.
Because it's quarantine time.
Okay, how are you gonna apply it?
SpongeBob. I don't know how much to use. Gotta put it on your face in places. Is that supposed to hit your eyebrow? Maybe. Screwed it up.
You're being very delicate.
Well, I don't want to be rough and damage your pretty face.
Thanks.
That's Peggy there.
What?
I'm just like giving you a little pig nose.
Thanks.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, folks. No mistakes, just happy accidents.
Are you Bob Ross?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, so it's like going
Okay.
a direction.
Okay. That's good.
I'm not entirely sure which direction yet.
But we'll see.
We'll see. Let's go on one of them. I'm just gonna get this on here. I don't know. I'm just gonna...
People don't like take my face down.
Oh. Boop, boop, boop,
Okay.
boop.
Okay.
Where are the tweezers? Gotta get your eyebrows.
Are you joking?
Like...
Okay, what's next?
Blush.
Okay.
Gotta do some contouring, you know.
With the blush?
Gotta highlight those high cheekbones that you got there.
Highlighting with the blush?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's what I highlight with highlighters. It's a look. It's a look.
Does that look good?
No.
Okay. So the blush goes here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That true match real fast, you know. Can I use the same brush or a different brush?
I'm not gonna tell you.
I use the same brush. Maybe I should... I think I did this backwards. Maybe the blush should have gone here and this should have gone underneath it. I don't know. We're just gonna...
Just go for it.
Just gonna do the thing.
We got
You know what?
foundation. We got blush. We got powder.
We gotta do some old contour kit. Maybe that's
okay.
what I should have done to contour instead of the blush.
I gave him like 3 other brushes, so I guess we're sticking with the same one.
This one looks like it's been used a lot, so maybe that means
the
that
light
we
one.
need to use it.
The lighter one we're gonna contour with. I'm just asking.
You're just asking these questions to be like, hey Isaac, what you're doing is stupid. Do this instead. But I'm not gonna fall for it.
Okay.
Sparkly cheeks. Look at that.
It's like it's highlighter or something.
We need some of that metallic looking lipstick.
Oh, straight into lipstick.
Fine, we'll do the eyes. Give you like the cat eye and all that jazz.
Oh, okay.
You know what it's
Ready?
for? No, it's not. This is just for the mole. Those squishy part.
Tell me, do I need to close my eyes? What do I need to do?
You gotta leave them open, but I'm gonna hope I don't.
It glides on smooth. It's not gonna like hurt me. Wow, that's really scary.
Yeah, it's scary for me just holding it here. God. I'm gonna like support my hand on your face.
Where are you going?
I'm going here.
Okay, because I felt it on my top lashes.
You should look. Tilt your head down, but look up. You need to go like. So look, for sure. I hate this. I'm so sorry. It did not work. Nothing worked.
Yeah, it did. Kind of. I can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, I think it looks kind of cool.
You look like an old lady that doesn't know how to do her makeup.
It tickles.
Okay, no
Maybe
more.
you should just be done.
No more. Honey. That wing, though. I mean, you gotta stay still, because,
I will.
you know,
I will.
I gotta get that wing. Oh, that's sad. It's something. Oh, Lord! What have I done? Oh!
No, I felt it, and I was like, "Yep, there we go."
It is.
When I was like, "I need to take a second," it's because I gave you 3 eyeliners, and you chose the messiest ones.
Oh no! That one slipped. So we're just gonna keep it. You know, I like it. I like it.
Okay, kind of look like I have a mask on, where it's like,
No, it's fine.
are you done with my eyes, or are you just going to another step?
I'm going to this, but then I'm gonna go back and
Okay.
do your eyelashes. Yep.
That's it?
I think I need to do your eyebrows as well.
Okay. I don't think I've ever used this lipstick.
It looks good on you. Do the... Hey. Oh, I have made a mistake yet again. Oh, I messed up again. I have to give you bigger lips. Come here. Oh, stay still, stay still, stay still.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Don't move. Stop it. Stop it.
I'm taking it so seriously.
Yeah.
You know, it's not that great.
Alright, give me them lashes.
You're done with like all the eye stuff before
No,
that?
this is the lashes.
This is, I know. Thank you.
No, I gotta give you some of those sparklies.
Okay. Please be careful,
I'll be
because
so
this could
careful.
really hurt.
I won't touch your
Let
eyeball.
me come to you.
Don't. No. Let me come to you, because otherwise I'm gonna, like, misjudge. That is some clumpy mascara, Madalyn.
Well,
I got this. I'm reassuring you and myself. Alright, I need your bottom ones now.
it's really scary trusting someone with the wand that's like this close to your eye.
Look up. And it's not great, but it could be worse.
Sorry, the camera cut out. But Isaac did fix my lips, so they're not 2 different sizes now. I think, you know, they look decent.
Yeah. Not clown-like, not Miranda.
I think this is a
Sings
very, like, Vogue editorial look.
Mm-hmm. This is shiny.
Is it shiny? On my eyelids, you said?
Yeah. Gotta go from a go-to brush.
Are you joking?
Yes.
Sorry, had to steer you away from that one.
There's just sparkles all over your face.
I hope you know I'm gonna wear this when we eat dinner with my mother later.
She's gonna be disappointed in me.
I think, honestly, she may be impressed by, like, the lips.
By the lips?
Yeah.
That's the worst part.
No, it's not at all. It's actually the right eye that's the worst part. I kind of like the shape of my, like, for real, I like the shape of the lips you gave me.
Thanks. I could probably add a little more.
Oh my god, I look so sad. Wait, let me look at you.
Oh, look at that puppy. Urban Smoky or Urban Decay Cherry. We're gonna go with the old Urban Decay Smoky.
Because the cherry may have some cherry.
You need to stop guiding me.
That's literally the only reason why I pulled this palette out. Did you just wing it? I can't believe you're doing that.
Gotta get all that powder off of there, you know.
I'm just seeing my under eyes for the first time.
Come here.
I literally have been crying.
I will fix it. I feel like this has to do with your brows.
Not gonna tell you.
I'm gonna go with the old Smoky.
You know, I'm really impressed because you chose the correct palette that I use for my brows, but you're one shade over. So, pretty impressed.
I might have gone a little bit past the brow.
It's okay, you went past my lips. Going for that exaggerated look today.
Now that is without a doubt the best makeup I've seen on you. I think I do a better
The brows?
job than you do. Yeah.
You know, they could honestly be worse. I think the shape isn't that bad. I mean, they're very dark, but the shape's not bad. This is the final makeup look.
I can
brought
see
to you by the Isaac. Isaac the Isaac.
I will be, taking requests. I can do you guys' makeup, prom makeup, wedding makeup.
When quarantine is over.
When quarantine is over, of course. I mean, I can probably guide your significant other through FaceTime.
To do their significant other's makeup?
Yeah, but...
I agree.
You know.
I'm really not hating on these lips. They're pretty good.
Thanks.
Not gonna lie. Good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely leave Isaac a comment and tell him how he did. I'm gonna go ahead and link all of my socials down below if you want to follow me, and I'll even link Isaac's if you want to follow him. Definitely be on the lookout for my next video, and I will see you then. You probably won't see him then, but you'll definitely see me then.
Be here whenever Madalyn needs me, I guess, you know.
He's going to be the cameraman in a lot of my videos, so.
I will be that.
Thanks for participating.
Of course. Thank you for letting me do your makeup. I think that you look beautiful.
Thank you.
You look stunning.
Thank you.
And we should totally go on a date after quarantine.
Okay.
After I've done your makeup like this.
Okay. All right, we'll see you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.